What's going on, guys? Limelight Capital here. I just wanted to get this video out here as a quick little update. So I was, watching the stocks, scrolling through Reddit like I usually do during the week. You know what I mean? This has pretty much got all my attention. And so here we have, this is a new Reddit post that I saw earlier in the title. This is huge. Robinhood never owned your GameStop shares. They got margin called $3 billion to cover the shares they needed to buy. All right, yeah, this is a gigantic article. Real quick, let's just look at the charts before we start here. All right, so 219 on GameStop. It's not looking too bad. I mean, we are on the SSR list today, so, but I mean, we're getting a little bit of price action today. It's a better day than yesterday, so. But I mean, again, the price staying horizontal is honestly crazy, with all the volatility in the market. And let's zoom out on this nice little beautiful cup and handle pattern here. Gorgeous. Look at this. And now we're going down in the handle here. And then it looks like we're going to be spiking back up, which is what I did predict in my last video. So, all right, let's flip back over to, actually, let's check AMC while we're here. So 219 on GameStop. Okay. 1318 on AMC. All right, not bad. All right, so let's get that out of here. All right, so let's just get started on this. I'm just going to read through this real quick and go through the highlights. Okay, so he gives credits, not financial advice, obviously. Just like this is not financial advice. You know what I mean? I'm just a guy trying to get some info out for the little man, that's all. All right, so anyway, let's go. So it says, this is the too long didn't read, so I'll just start with that. Robinhood Securities says in its annual report that they shut down trading due to margin demands. That's because they are engaging in CFD practices, and they or you never owned your GameStop shares during that run up. The price exploded before they were able to delta hedge their naked CFD positions, and they got margin called for $3 billion to cover the shares they needed to buy. You aren't buying shares off the open market on Robinhood or possibly on any mobile trading platform. Those buy orders are being routed to market makers to be purchased off exchange so that it doesn't affect the active trading price. However, your sell orders are sold on the active market, so it actively affects the trading price. So to sum that up, basically, Robinhood is doing some really shady shit. And when we are buying shares, it doesn't affect price. It's just going straight to a market maker, and it's purchased off exchange at, I guess, whatever the open price was or whatever the last register price was. But when we sell, it is affecting the price. So I mean, that's just such a double standard. That's actually mind blowing. So here he says, Robinhood got margin called because they were naked shares due to engaging in contract for difference trading. That's what CFD stands for. Where they don't buy the shares you pay for because they expect you to lose money anyway. They just pay you the difference in price if you make a profit once you sell your position. So yeah, I mean that's insane. I mean even just that paragraph here, just this is just like such a this is just such a mind-blowing paragraph here. I mean it's just like, so basically that's explaining Robinhood's like little pyramid scheme. They're basically just being the intermediary between us and I guess market makers, and just sending buy orders, and they're expecting us to lose money. That's why they're never paying for the full shares. They're just taking the fractional profits. It's disgusting. Um, okay, so he does link another post, which is really good. But yeah, so he goes into the testimonies today and everything. They're talking about Robinhood. So it says, I believe Robinhood and its sister company, Robinhood Securities, are engaging in CFD, contract for difference trading, and that the orders they send to Citadel are being used to dump sell orders on GME. So yeah, I mean, if they're in bed with Citadel doing this shit, this is like mind blowing stuff here. Um, so in this scenario, Robinhood continuously sends order flow and buy orders to Citadel. Uh, they're using Citadel as an example here. It could be any market maker, obviously, but Citadel is the prime target. So when a trader enters a buy order, that order is sent to the market maker, and the price is set for a trade, and the trader is given access to their shares at a current price. Robinhood has fulfilled their agreement to best price, and the market maker paid for the order, and the customer has their shares. So it looks like it's a win-win-win. But that doesn't mean the market maker actually went through with the purchasing or selling of those share orders yet. They paid for the order, but they only need to execute it in a reasonable amount of time. That's why you notice if you've used Robinhood, the orders are not instantaneous. You know what I mean? It takes there's a delay in that. It could take them 10 seconds, 1 second, 5 minutes, doesn't matter. So it says they recently changed their PFOF method from one giving them a set payment per share to giving them a percentage of the spread instead. So think about this. A Robinhood trader wants the spread in the stock that she is trading to be as narrow as possible. The HFT market maker buying those orders benefit most when the spread is as wide as possible. And now Robinhood benefits most when the spread is as wide as possible as well. So I mean, it's just like they're totally going against retail investors. It's just their whole business model is a joke. I'm not going to go through this entire article here. I will link this above. Let's see here. I will circle this here. So this is the guy that created the post. You can just search him on Reddit, or I will link this in the description below. But yeah. So guys, I just want to get this out there. This is huge information. You know what I mean? I never trusted Robinhood, and thank God, I got my portfolio off of there onto WEBULL. So, I will link a referral link to join up on WEBULL if you guys want. I totally recommend getting off Robinhood, and I'll be posting more updates throughout the day, guys, and hopefully we can hit the moon today. All right, guys, take it easy. I'll see you in the next one.